I'm Bethany, also known as Relove Maui on the Poshmark app and on Instagram. I am a clothing reseller on the island of Maui, and one of my big challenges with doing what I do in a tropical island in the middle of nowhere is sourcing inventory. It's always a challenge, and it's one I embrace, and I've had to get creative, and definitely one of my favorite ways to source inventory, and also definitely the most cost-effective way that I've found, is yard sales. And yard sales here are great because it's a very transient place. People are always coming and going. They're always getting rid of amazing things, and that includes clothing. And I get a lot of my inventory this way. So I wanted to make a video where I shared a haul with you guys and showed how much I spent and how much I'm able to price it for on the Poshmark app. And I do have a disclaimer here. Poshmark is an offer-based app. So most sales that happen on Poshmark come from an offer, whether it's from the buyer to the seller or the seller to the buyer. A lot of people bundle things so they can get a better price. So there's a lot of adjusting to the prices that goes on. So I'm not by any means saying that the amount stated here is the amount I will actually get for these items when they sell. But it's just a jumping off point to give you an idea and to show how much I spent and how much I was able to turn it into on the Poshmark app. So I'll just jump right into my haul here. Okay, so here's my yard sale haul from this past weekend. This is not everything I got, but it's some of my favorite items, so I figured I would share those with you guys. And I'm going to start with the items that already sold. I had 3 pieces that I've already sold from the first couple of days they were listed. So the first item here is this Robert Graham shirt. We know I love Robert Graham. I grab it anytime I see it. I find it does fantastic on Poshmark. Always really unique. It's got these cool little touches around the neckline. Usually the cuffs have a different pattern on the back, so if you fold them over, just a really cool style there. That one sold for $40 the first day it was listed. Next up is a seatbelt bag. The brand is called Harvey, so they make bags out of seatbelts. And I knew these used to be really popular, so I grabbed this when I saw it, but I wasn't sure how it was doing nowadays. And it's in really good condition, so I wasn't worried about selling it, but I didn't know what to price it at. I think I may have undercut myself a little bit on this one. I priced it at $35. It sold for $30 the first day it was listed. So, you know, probably I could have gotten a little bit more for it, but in any case, quick sale on that. And the next item that sold quickly was this Forever 21, kind of a poncho sweater, very drapey and long. Really, really cool, and it is new with tags. This sold in a bundle with 2 other items for $50 for all 3 items. Okay, and then actually I'm going to hop back over here. Those are the 3 sold items so far. I'm going to hop back over here and show you my shoes that I picked up. So these are some Betsy Johnson shoes. These are really, really unique. I love these. Lots of cool designs on these, little flowers, little studs, just beautiful. Really good condition too, and they got this cute little pattern on the sole. Pretty good condition too. I mean, they definitely show a little wear, but they're in good shape, and they come with the box. And I priced those on Poshmark for $75. And next up is a pair of Naughty Monkey shoes. And these are super cute. I always love these Naughty Monkey shoes. They're really fun. I haven't sold them in a very long time, so I don't know how they're doing nowadays. And these specifically have some, you know, some minor issues. They've got some peeling on the inside, a little peeling on the toe. And so, and it looks like they had like some little pads inside at one point. So yeah, I just priced these at $25 since they do have some issues. And they're a size 7.5, and the Betsy shoes were a size 8. Yeah, so cute shoes there. And then the next shoes are some boots. The brand is called Cheyenne. I've never sold this before, actually, but it looks like it's a pretty good line of boots and Western wear. And these are in good condition. You know, they're really nice leather, embroidered, studded. Yeah, they show a little minor wear, but good shape on those. And I priced those at $75. And next up is a pair of Patagonia, kind of like clogs. These are just really nice. They're leather, really solid shoes, black, and they are a size 8.5. And I priced these guys at $45 on Posh. All right, so that's all the shoes there. And next up, I got a couple accessories. So I got this necklace. I thought this was really cool. It's gold tone, kind of like a Grecian look. Kind of Cleopatra-ish to me, very cool. Would spice up an outfit for sure. And I priced that at $20. Next up is a scarf. I don't always get scarves, but I thought this one was really neat. It's got, you know, the raw edges, which I love, and it's also got like a beach scene on it. So it's like, you know, a beach with the ocean behind it. Buildings, it almost looks like Waikiki. I don't know if it is, but really cool. And I priced this at $25. And okay, these are all the sold items here, so I'll skip past those. Okay, next up, a Betsy Johnson dress. This is really, really cute. Little cherries on it, halter style. This is just really, really fun. This is like the epitome of the Betsy styles that I really like. And a little bit of an older label there, maybe. It's size 8 on the Betsy dress. And next up is a Bcbg skirt. I don't always grab Bcbg, but I got some of it this weekend, so we'll see how it does. This skirt's a size 8. It's actually brand new with tags, and it was $158 originally. It does have a tiny little issue though. It's got a little mark kind of back here on the, and it's very, very, very minor, but I always have to mention it, of course, when there's any kind of an issue, especially if it's new with tags. And I priced the Betsy skirt at $50. Oh, and the Betsy Johnson dress I priced at $60. So $60 on the Betsy dress, $50 on the Bcbg skirt. Next up, this is JM Collection. So it's not really any particular great brand, but I really love this sweater. It's kind of a nubby, cool textured fabric. I actually really kind of like this sweater a lot. I would like to keep it, but I have too many sweaters. But it's got the big single button in the front, which I really like that look. It's a size large. And it's listed for $25. And next up is a pair of Elizabeth and James little high waist shorts. I really like these. They're super cute, like a nice tan color, almost kind of a pinkish tan color. And they're a size 4. And these I listed for, can't get my eye on, oh, $45. $45 on the Elizabeth and James shorts. Next up, and I'm really stoked about this brand. I found a couple of pieces of it, and we'll see how it does. But it's Melissa McCarthy for $7.7. Yeah, really cool. And I like the pieces I got. This dress is really neat. It's a long dress, kind of a light pink with some really, really bright patterns on it. Really fun dress. I love this a lot. So yeah, and the pieces I got are the same size, so hopefully the same person can grab them. But this dress is listed for $45 on Posh. And this next top is, I actually got these next two pieces both. I got them for myself and then changed my mind. So this is just a little Roxy tank, just super simple. It's when it's hanging correctly, it's crisscrossed in the back. But I got it just to wear to yoga, but then I realized it really isn't my color. The peach washes me out, so I'm just gonna sell it. But it's a size medium, Roxy little tank top, and I just listed that for $15. It's just a simple little kind of Aztec print there. And this next skirt, I don't know why I thought I could pull this off. It's a very, very boho, like almost prairie style. I used to wear this kind of stuff a long time ago, and I mean, it's very cute. It's just not what I'm doing these days. So it's Charlotte Russe, so not a fancy brand. Again, I got this for myself. So when I shop for myself, I go more on style than brand sometimes. So yeah, so kind of a little flowy prairie skirt, and I just priced that also at $20. And yeah, just cute little, I mean, it looks like it would kind of sit low on the hips. It's got like the kind of stretchy waistband. I think that's kind of why I thought maybe I could make it work, but it will go on to another new loving home. Next up is an Anthropology item. This is Florite from Anthropology. Really pretty dress. It's kind of a brown overlayer over a hot pink background. And I do not remember the size on this. I'll have to look. Let's see here. Size 10. Size 10 on the Florite dress from Anthropology. And I priced that at $55. And next up, I just got this because I like the style. I don't think the brand is particularly remarkable. The brand is Ice, which I've seen before. I think it's fine, just nothing too fancy. But I just like the style of this. It was just kind of a cool, kind of like a kimono vibe, but it's a top. And it's $20 on Poshmark, size medium on that guy. Okay, these next two I just got for the style. I love jumpers. These are really cute. Monto, I mean, it's obviously not a high-end brand, but it's always really cute stuff, I feel like, for the most part. So this is a jumper, and it's got a really cool feature, too. It's already cute anyway. Size small, but it's got these slits in the legs, if you can see there. Like, the legs are slit, like, pretty high up. It's cool. And I love that look. And it's also open in the back. I mean, I love everything about this. I think it's just really, really adorable. So that's $25 on Posh. And then this next one is it's obviously from the same person, Monto, also size small, and same kind of concept. But this one's a spaghetti strap, so the top part is different. It's got this little tie, which is adorable, and I might like this one even better. And again, the slits in the legs here. Yeah, there you can see. Yeah, slits in the legs on both of those. So really, really cute. And I just priced them both at $25. Really adorable. And, you know, I love a shirt with a fun saying. This is a tank top, and it just says Trucks, Cowboys, Country Music. Yeah, I thought that was really cute. I just priced it at $15, and it's a size, I said size medium. It doesn't actually have a size listed, but it looks like a medium. And next up, this is the other Melissa McCarthy for 7.7, so XL again on this guy. So it's a tunic, like a tunic style. Floral print top, really pretty colors. I absolutely love the colors on this one, and just kind of a watercolor look to it. And I priced this one at, let's see, $45 on Posh. It's got a zipper in the back. Next up, Billabong jacket, men's jacket here. And it's corduroy. It's kind of it's brown, but a little bit of a greenish tinge to it, kind of a greenish brown. Really, really nice jacket. I mean, this would be perfect for someone who lives in a chillier place than this. Size large, and this one I priced for $35. This next dress, I kind of thought the brand was something remarkable when I saw it. It's not. I think it's from Francesca's or something, so it's just a really simple brand, but it's Emily. It's just cute. I wasn't worried about grabbing this. It's adorable. I think it's a really cute little dress. It's got these little sheer pieces up here, and love the colors. Kind of an aqua, kind of an aqua. Adorable dress, size medium, but yeah, the brand's nothing fancy. Francesca's kind of does that with their labels. Sometimes they'll kind of look like Anthro or something. I didn't think this was Anthro though, because it's not. I just didn't think it was, but yeah, it's really cute anyway. And I just priced that at $25 on Posh. Okay, this next top I just got for the style. It's Bcbg, I guess that's how you say that. It's a size medium, and cool colors. I like the print and the colors on this. It's sheer, kind of a drapey crossover front. I just thought it was a really cool top, so I grabbed it for the look. And it is it's priced at $20 on Posh. This next one I kind of got lucky on because I did not know this brand. ILE New York is the brand. I'd never even heard of it. And it's kind of a fitted sheath dress. I got it for the style. I didn't realize the brand was anything. And actually I looked it up on Posh, and actually does pretty well on Posh. So, score. But yeah, it's a really pretty dress. And size 10, it would look really, really nice on someone if it's like, fitting their body right. It's very curvy, kind of a va-voom, little bit of a cut there. I like it. Next up, these next two skirts are just little high-waisted jean skirts. Very of the moment. I love these both. They're very tiny, both of them. This one is a Forever 21 and size 25. I just realized I didn't say the price, I don't think, on this ILE. So it's $50 on Posh. But yeah, so the Forever 21, size 25, and cut off little jean skirt. Just cute, I just love this kind of style, and to me, I think it does very well right now. And I just priced that at $20. And this next one is Astonishing Powers, the brand. So I don't think I actually like this one even better because it's got this cool little crossover thing happening here in the front. I love that look. And this one I couldn't really find a size on it, so I just put extra small in the listing, but it's about the same size as this Forever 21. And yeah, $20 on both of those. Next up, Hudson. So these are some Hudson jeans. Got a little fuzzy. Yeah, so Hudson jeans. These are skinny leg on these. Really, really, really great jeans. Kind of a darker wash. And they're a size 26. And I priced these at $40 on Poshmark. Yeah, and I love the booty on Hudson. So I love how their pockets are. Super cute. These next jeans I actually have not listed yet, and I don't know if I'm going to because I might keep them. I'm actually planning to keep them. That's why I did not even shoot them or list them yet. But they're American Eagle, and they're a size 6, and they're like just like the jegging style. I mean, these are just my exact cup of tea. I have not tried them on yet. That's the only reason I'm not 100% sure that I'm keeping them. Because sometimes even the same style, if you try a different pair on, it runs a little different. So we'll see. But I am definitely planning to keep these. But I wanted to show them because they were part of my haul. And one of my favorite items of my haul. Yeah, size 6 on those. Next up, this is a Sunny Lee skirt, kind of a pencil skirt, jean pencil skirt. Size 14, Sunny Lee, yeah. And really cute, just basic skirt. You could wear this for work or casual or some of both. Oh, and it's got little slits in the back. I like this. It's got this like kind of basically panel that just kind of flaps up in the back. And the Sunny I priced at $25. And next up is a Cabbie Blouse. This is a sheer little tie front blouse. It's going to be worn over something because it's completely open in the front. It just ties. It's the only closure. And then it's completely sheer, size small Cabbie. And I priced that at $25 on Poshmark. Next up, this is Odile from Anthro. So it's a little halter top. It's really cute. I really like the print on this and the colors. very bright, and size 6, I think. Yep, size 6 on that. And I priced that at $30. Okay, this next one I just thought was cute. Nothing fancy. Knox Rose, though, I think their stuff is always kind of cute, or usually cute. This is a studded purple tank top, and size extra small, and I priced that at $20. Next up is brand Lavender Field. I'm kind of stumbling across this here and there. I'm not exactly sure where they sell it. There it is. And this is just, this material on this top is just really nice. It's incredibly soft. It's like a modal, and it's just, that's a certain kind of fabric that I really, really appreciate. It's kind of like a smooth, it almost has a silky texture to it. It's really, really nice. And this is a size medium. And I priced this at $25. And okay, next up, this is a Tommy Bahama shirt. This is really nice. It's a linen Tommy shirt. Excellent condition on this one. You can see. And it's a size medium and linen. And this one I priced at $30. Okay. Bcbg Max Azria again. I got a few more pieces of that. So this is a little jacket, kind of a little crop jacket, short sleeve, great for professional wear. Really, really pretty. Single button closure in the front there. Excellent condition on this one too. Just really nice lining also. And that I priced at $45. Pinstripes. And this is just Gap, but it's a maxi dress. I thought it was really pretty. It's kind of a gray with kind of a cream print, and size small, and that one I priced at $25. And next up, so this is the brand 31. If you guys are familiar with the bags, I don't think I've actually ever sold any of their stuff before, but I've definitely heard of it. I know people that are really into it. So they're popular bags. This one is a canvas, kind of almost like a shopper it could be, and it's called the Retro Metro, and they actually had that inside, which was really helpful when I was listing and pricing it. So yeah, it's got little pockets on the sides. This looks like a really just useful bag for daily life. Very heavy duty and good condition. And I priced that at $30. Next up, this is Zara Woman. So it's a size medium, but it's kind of loose fitting. I feel like it's kind of menswear inspired, and it's a blazer. It's really cool. I like this a lot actually. And I priced it at $40. Okay, next up, this is a pair of Bcbg pants, kind of like capri cropped, like tan pants, khaki, and definitely professional type wear. They have a couple of little minor flaws. They've got some kind of like little worn spots on the sides of the legs. So I priced these at $25, and they're a size 10. Okay, a couple skirts, last couple items here. So this is a Calvin Klein skirt, size 4, and black and white, kind of a crossover style, almost like a wrap style look here. I mean, it's not a wrap skirt, but it's got this kind of fold over panel here. And yeah, really nice black and white skirt. I priced it at $30. Last up is another Bcbg Max Azria skirt. This is really, really pretty. It's kind of a slim skirt, but I wouldn't say it's a true pencil skirt because it's got kind of a little bit of like a mermaid type of look in the back here. Pinstripe. This is just gorgeous. I love this. I couldn't find a size, but the other skirts I had from the same person were 8s, and this looks like an 8 to me, so I listed it as an 8 as an estimated size. Yeah, so a really pretty skirt there. Yeah, so that is it. That's my haul. Well, that's my featured items from my haul. There was definitely more, but these were kind of my favorite things that I wanted to show you all, and kind of representative of what I found and what I tend to look for when I go to sales. And for the first time I shared my Poshmark prices with you guys too, so that was cool. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy, and I will be sharing another haul with you next week. All right, thank you so much for following along with my video. Hopefully it helps to show how I'm able to make a success out of yard sales for my business. And if yard sales are a big thing in your area, they are worth checking out. I know they don't work for everyone in every marketplace, but they can really be a gold mine depending on your market. So definitely check them out if you have the chance. And please subscribe down below and throw me a thumbs up. Also follow me on Instagram and on Poshmark at Relove Maui in both places. And leave me a note. I'd love a chance to follow you back. Have a fantastic day. Aloha.